Today we're at Whitewater. Buckle up because we're taking you POV all the way down the rides.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm a little bit actually freaked out. Ready, set, go! Right now we are about to go on the Typhoon twister right now. It looks like a lot of fun. Pretty scary. It looks like it does, but we're gonna have we're gonna have so much fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun, but pretty scary. Oh my God, you go straight down.
You're in the middle. Carolina, you're here. It was fun. It was good.
I heard screams. I'm scared.
All right, I need to figure out how to get in here. There we go. We good?
All right, Tal, welcome to Typhoon Twister.
Look at this. You get ready to go down again. Get down the big hole.
No, please don't make me go.
Here we go. Woo! All right, let's go do a different ride. Ready? Yeah? Good? Okay, cool. All right, see you, Carolina. Bye. That'll be fine. I'll go backwards. I'll go backwards.
Yay!
Look at that. Thank you. Wow. Woo! I'm going backwards the whole way. Jared, we gotta shift this around so the car goes backwards. This is not fun like this. There we go.